Assalamu alaikum. Hello everybody. How are you all? Hope that you are doing great. I'm also fantastic. So we are came here in the deep forest in our campus. So as you can see behind me, lot of numerous trees you can find, and it is very difficult to go here and there. So one way we can find. So I'm here, and with me Tambi Siddharthan. So we are on the deep forest, right? And we have seen many how can I say that, many animal in this wild animal we have seen, and peacock, like nilgai, and we have to take care in this forest. So we are came here. As you can see, I just want to show you this beautiful forest. Just I'm making, and here the rich main road area. So look at this is the main road. We just come out in forest, from the forest. So this is our main road. Look at this. And today is a holiday, so we are just walking purpose. We came here, and I'm making video. So all the best. Take care. Have a good day.